Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain while loops. A while loop is a much like an if statement, except we can repeat some code potentially an infinite amount of times. Here is an example of where a while loop would be useful. Let's say we have an user. Let's first define the name, okay? std colon, then string, because it's a name, right? Name would be string, name. We will first use if statement to understand the problem, okay? Let's consider if name is empty. We have already seen this, right? Name. I will check to see if the name is empty. Did the user actually type something? If name is empty, we will create a prompt. Okay. Then we will type. If it's empty, then we will prompt standard cout. Enter your name. Okay. We will use getLine function to take user input. Standard getLine, standard C in name, right? Once we exit the if statement, we will display a message involving the username. Let's say standard out of this if statement, let's say std cout hello, then our variable name. Okay, let's save the program and hit run. Now it's asking for enter your name. I'm not going to enter any name. I'm just going to hit enter. Okay, there you are, hello. And I don't have a name, right? What if we need to force the user to do something in order to continue with the rest of the program? Well, we could change this if statement to a while loop. How we can? We can just replace this if statement with while. Okay, save the program, hit run. If this condition remains true, we will execute this code a potentially infinite amount of times. Once we reach the end of this code block, we check the condition again. If it's true, still true, we repeat the code again. Enter your name. I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to just hit enter. I'm not going to enter anything. See, enter your name. Enter your name. Every time, whenever you hit enter, it will repeat the same code till the infinite. Enter your name. Enter your name. So I cannot actually continue with the rest of my program until I type in something. I'll type in my full name, then hit enter. Let's type something. Rizvi Sir. Hit enter. See, hello Rizvi Sir. See, whatever your name is basically speaking, a while loop is a kind of like an if statement, except it can repeat some code infinitely. So as long as this condition remains true, we check this condition. Once we enter the while loop, then anytime we finish the while loop, we check the condition again. If the condition is false, we exit, then continue on with the rest of the program. And you do want some way to exit the while loop. Let's write a condition that we would be able to change at all. While 1 is equal to 1, there is no way we can escape this while loop. So this is what known as an infinite loop. I'll display message. Okay, let's consider while loop 1 is equal to 1. While 1 is equal to 1. And let's write something inside the code. std standard cout, write a message, help, I am stuck in an infinite loop. Got it? Semicolon. Save the program, hit run. Until is 1 is equal to 1, then it's going to just continue to display this infinitely, okay, till the infinite. So yeah, we are stuck in an infinite loop and we cannot actually move on or do anything. So yeah, that's basically a while loop, everybody. While some condition that you set remains true, you will continue to execute some code. A great use of a while loop is that you can force a user to do something in order to continue with the rest of the code. Your assignment is to use a while loop, then post it in the comment section down below. And yeah, those are while loops in C++. Thank you.